Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we made this simple sound amplifier model. For this we required pipe, balloon, rubber band or tap, small mirror piece which is very light in weight and one laser pointer. Now let me show you how it works. When you speak, the balloon vibrates. The mirror attached to the balloon also moves slightly. The laser light reflects from the mirror onto the wall. Due to vibration, the laser dots move or shakes, showing sound waves. This model shows that sound produces vibrations. The balloon vibrates when we speak, and the mirror moves with it. The laser light reflects these vibrations on the wall, making sound visible.